et y en a marre.
Alright, so hello everyone, welcome back to STV 2.0 and your go-to podcast for all things related to technology and beyond. I am your host Sriparno and today I have with me Somesh, a friend of mine from my same college. And Somesh, how do you feel today?
Very excited.
Okay, so this is my second podcast with him and today's topic is uses and abuses, or you can say positive and negative side of artificial intelligence.
So,
Absolutely. So today, as the topic, that's very trending. The thing is artificial intelligence, and so let's start with the positive sides of AI. Okay. So Somesh, can you please elaborate the positive sides of AI?
so you see, for the 2 to 3 years, we are actually searching something on internet and like Googling. If you want any article, any documentation, any study material, or anything you want, you search on Google. So Google will give you some search results or index the pages. From that index pages, you have to search according to your need. It means if you want search any language, something C or anything, you search. First one website came. You don't know that website is good or bad, and second website. Then you have to go through all the pages or all the indexed pages. Here, artificial intelligence or more specifically ChatGPT or any LLM, large scale AI models, they are actually helping us to search the topic and get the result as soon as possible because they are trained on the data that is available on the Google.
Right. So I think the one thing that comes to all of our mind is that particular thing ChatGPT, right?
Exactly.
So as we have already studied about this thing, that's why I'm coming to that part, that the famous Turing test done by Alan Turing, right? So from where the concept of AI came.
Yeah.
Okay. So to achieve AI, as you all know that we are BCS students, we know the 4 components, right? Thinking humanly, acting humanly, thinking rationally, and acting rationally, right? So how do you feel like the first artificial intelligence created by Alan Turing? Okay. And nowadays the ChatGPT, how it is being used. So can you see a difference?
Yeah, because we see in that time the machine cannot think rationally or that intelligence is not there actually. If you search something, it will give answers, but it will not that logical or rational. It will not that. And today's world, if you ask ChatGPT or any AI model to say some code, that AI model has to be logical. Without logical thinking, you cannot write that. Even though that code that he means the LLM is giving to you, it can be in Stack Overflow or any website or GHG. But if you want to change it, he have to change that. To change that code, he has a logical mind. And that time that was not there.
Absolutely, because look, things are improving every day, okay, and he is much more tech enthusiast than me. I can agree with him. And the truth is that yes, look, now what the AI is at this particular time, that we have already got ChatGPT 4.2, which is premium, but ChatGPT 3.5 is.
It is not ChatGPT. ChatGPT is the model name. The actual model name is the LLM is the GPT. The GPT 3.5 is free, and GPT 4.0, which is the most reliable AI model out there. There are many. Microsoft Copilot, U.com, they are actually using their own LLM. But the perfect one, 3.0 is enough, 3.5 is enough. But 4.0 is like you are doing something in a big project, you upload or the main difference is there in 3.05 now. You cannot search images.
Not only that, even the updated things are not there.
Right? Because the learning is done till 2019 and 4.0 is still learning. There are many more examples like Gemini. They are even also search images, because if you upload or if something, you copy something on internet, you directly paste them. In 3.5 you cannot. You can only write prompts or questions.
Absolutely. Even now, look at the thing. I hope you have all heard the name of the website called Midjourney from generate images. And even
that is a generative way. That is something different from LLMs.
And even I can tell you one thing, like you want to make a YouTube video, okay, and something like reels, okay. So even for the content designers or content creators, okay, and that is nowadays very helpful, because of the artificial intelligence, right? Because it can automatically generate. There are several websites, right? And also the recently Samsung launched a phone called S24.
Ultra.
Right.
It came with the Samsung's Galaxy AI.
They have their own AI right now, right? So it's actually pretty incredible how different companies, different brands from like different industries are implementing AI on their like goods or products or services, right?
Means that see, AI is a concept, and using that concept, how much their it means how we are actually implementing that concepts using different types of mathematics, calculus, algorithms to fetch the data to train the machine on based on the data, or how efficiently or how logically it is answering your questions. So that's very important. Because if you see why 4.0 is not, because it is obvious that it will be more logical than the 3.5. It is enough. It's enough for us. But if you are working with like Google or Microsoft, there you cannot solve the issues using 3.5. I think, because I have seen some of the projects on open source. Here you cannot fix them using 3.5 because after some time the ChatGPT or anywhere will give you same results because the data is not there actually. To think more logically, it will need more data. In 2024, in this world, everything is data. Everything is unstructured data, and the machine should learn. So, can you tell me all the demerits of the AI or the abuses that has been created using AI?
Alright, so let me tell you frankly that I used to design some posters, banners, flexes, and like it's all started with making invitation cards for my brother's dance academy. He actually owns a dance academy, and for their annual cultural show, I designed that. And that time, Adobe Photoshop, PageMaker were actually used. Okay, because that time I didn't know how to use like Figma, okay, and apps like that. So what I did, I tried to edit banners, flexes, posters with those softwares. Okay. So right now, I think you have heard about an app called Canva. Canva, obviously. So now even everything right now, okay, can be done with AI. I mean, it's not everything, but I think somehow it can be done. Suppose I want to create a research paper, okay.
Yeah.
I just do one thing. I go to ResearchGate or website like that. I copy 2 or 3 research papers fully, then paste it on any ChatGPT. Okay.
Then you said to
merge them
or
edit in like own way. So they will give you a whole new research paper which you can just submit to your college. I'm not talking about my college or something.
But it's actually happening.
It's actually happening. Okay. Even if you want to write an article, write a paragraph. Even one more thing, like there is a checker. Okay, there is a plagiarism checker. But also there is an AI model called Gravity AI, which can convert your writing, or convert the writing into
make the paragraph free.
Right. I mean, the plagiarism checker can't even detect that it is like
AI is destroying itself.
Okay. So obviously now these are the abuses because this is destroying everyone's thinking power. Human is known for his thinking, right? Because human is the most intelligent creature available on earth. Okay. So obviously now humans' intelligence comes from thinking. So if you stop thinking, AI is actually making us stop thinking. Okay. The one who is creating AI is on another level, definitely. But talking about us, we don't know on what algorithm AI is made, but we know how to use it.
Yeah.
Right. We are using it. Suppose I want to make a video. Even I made many of my YouTube videos by making script from ChatGPT or AI model, right? So this is actually like you can say it is actually helping us, and also it's not very good for us, right? And talking about the last thing, which is the most dangerous, and also the most dangerous thing is stopped by an AI. Okay, let me tell you that there is a bot called Telegram. So what that bot do? You give a pic of any girl or any man to send as a message to that Telegram chat, and that bot will convert that image into a naked pic of that person. Okay. very, very bad for us. As look, not everyone's profile is locked on Facebook,
Yeah.
right? And even you at least have a WhatsApp DP. So someone is just taking a screenshot of it and then putting it on Telegram and making a picture out of it. I mean, things are actually becoming very, very. I mean, it's a cause of worry for every girl, every man out there, right? And also, even if I talk about how to stop that thing, I hope you have heard about a website called stopandcia.org. Okay, that is also created by AI. And what that do, that actually works in this way. Suppose some of your pics have gone viral, suppose. Okay, so now you do one thing, you will have to go to the website, you will have to upload your face image and everything details they need from you. And when you upload that and put a complaint on the cyber cell and do the processing, then they will remove your picture from everywhere from the web. Okay, this is also made by AI.
Yeah.
Okay, so obviously this is the biggest example of uses and abuses of AI.
Yeah. And another is same actually, the stable diffusion or any generative AI. It means when Microsoft Copilot has come 1 or 1.5 years ago, there is no restriction. You can write anything. Means you can say
How to
generate
steal,
image.
how to steal
No. Oh, that was also there. You can say generate any picture.
Okay.
Generate
Okay.
means you are saying generate an image of a naked girl or something. It can actually generate that because background. What is actually happening? The mathematics and the vector processing.
Yes.
So
It
it
is
can
actually doing what we are saying.
So what we are saying now in
He actually, it was not thinking rationally. He was thinking
mathematically, exactly. The picture, everything is physics around there. You can say anything, it will generate that.
Yes.
If you say a cat is generate an image where a cat is taking selfie,
Yes. It's gonna generate it.
That's what I'm saying actually.
So, alright, so that was actually, I hope you all have liked this video because that was actually a very good time with Somesh, and I really enjoy speaking to him because he is very much interested in things like technologies. Now, if you are also interested in things like technologies and AI, okay, chat GPTs and much more, then please like, comment, share with your friends and subscribe to our channel. I hope you will